Hello, friend. Mormo here, just drinking a Verner's, and I'm about to do something on my computer. It's getting pretty late, but I wanted to do something that was helpful to my business, and just thought of something real quick and did it and took action. And that's what I'm always doing, just taking action. And it involves this company that I'm in, that if you're interested and want more information, just visit the link in the description. And anyways, let's just watch the video. Hello, friend. Mormo here. And tonight it's pretty late, but I wanted to do something productive, and so I decided I was going to check out my older videos, and here's one right here. Frankenstein's monster gets rich in 7 days putting hooks in bananas. This video did not do very good, but I'm going to copy that code right there and copy, and then I'm going to go over to my message board, Mormo video training, new topic. I'm going to go down here, YouTube code, edit, paste, and now I'll go over to video details and copy all that, and then I'll put that in the subject, and let's see what I put in the description. There's all of that. Copy. I think I'll just leave that there. And I'll click submit. And there we go. Hello. And that's it. Have a great night.